Yeah, it's a senior.
Georgia sandals.
Yes. Tell them why you're wearing Georgia sandals.
A lot of times Florida ones. Don't worry.
They're in the bag. She couldn't walk in them.
No. Oh.